from the Struck Bible, and I'm here today to give you ultimate hair confidence. So obviously we know that if our hair is not feeling right, then neither are really we. So I'm here today to give you a really easy 2-in-1 style using pretty minimum heat, and all it requires is a hairdryer, a little one of these paddle brushes, maybe a round brush if you fancy it, some smoothing products, a hairband, and some little curvy grips. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, this is going to be 2 styles in one. The first style is going to be a top knot with a little bit of framing. So we're going to do that first, then we're going to sleep on that. Then the next day we're going to let it down, and we're going to have a really amazing down style with loads of volume and loads of really nice kind of tousled waves. So here is the first part. Watch and learn, girls. Right, so I'm just going to, a little bit of smoothing product in there. My hair's quite frizzy. It's got a natural wave in it. So anything I can do to sort of tame the wave is always good, and anything that I can do that means I don't have to do much to it is even better. So this is really good, because this is going to take me like no time at all on this side and hardly any time on the other side. So anyway, don't mind me, I'm going to blow dry my hair. If you start to dry the roots off first, then the rest will follow easily. Don't try and dry the ends. Always aim for the roots, and then the ends will follow. You're welcome. So as you can see, I've blasted my hair off. It's a little bit frizzy, a bit wild, but we're going to find a way to get around that. So what we're going to do, literally just going to bung my hair up in a nice high pony. This is going to be the start of our top knot. By putting it in a ponytail, I find it just gives you a little bit more leverage to play with. So nice and high. Actually, nice and high, but not too tight, because we want to be able to kind of loosen it up and maneuver. Right, so now what we've got is we've got this little bit here. And we're going to plait this. And this is going to create our beautiful wave when we let our hair down tomorrow. We are literally just going to almost make a little bun with this. It's going to look really pretty. So I like to put a little one in there just on the end. And then just dot a couple around just to give it some security. Then I like to take the base and just give it a nice pull. And pull this out a little bit. I like a big bun, and I cannot lie. I'm gonna go go nice and messy with it. Then I'm just going to take these front bits. Look at these pesky short bits. So literally just go over the irons on any little areas that are rebelling. What I like to do is, because we've not made it too tight, so just hold on to that bun, but just pull out a few little bits just to give it that sort of loose, undone effect. And there you have it. Cute little top knot. Took me hardly any time. Still looks quite nice and respectable, even though I'm wearing it up. Because of the plait, I feel like it gives it just quite a nice little touch. And I will be back on the other side to show you how it looks like when we take it out. So excited to show you. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the next day. This is when we're going to see how our nice little top knot and our bun has gone, and what the results we do get for the next style. So what we're going to do is we're just going to unravel this little plait, taking all the grips out. Okay, so cheeky one hiding in there. So what we get a bit of a mess, but with a little bit of fine tweaking, we get to create a nice wavy style. So what you can see is we've obviously got a little bit of a buckle created from the hairband. So what I like to do is I just get a pair of irons and literally just grab this top section and sort of just smooth out that little buckle. Super easy. So what you get, once you smooth out the buckle, you just get a really nice voluminous style. Bearing in mind we've done like super minimal to this style to create this. You're literally just ironing the roots. And also ironing the roots is a lot less damaging than ironing the ends, so you don't feel so guilty. R-E-S-P-C-T, take care of TCP. Sorry, we've got a bit of a Aretha Franklin on in the background. Love a bit of respect. Okay. So now that's done, you can see, obviously, a little bit fluffy. So I just like to go over with a nice spray wax or a little bit of wax or something on there. And I've got this hair. So you get this really cool, voluminous, full, wavy, beachy, messy hair, and I've literally done nothing to it. It's been up in a bun overnight, and I take it out, and voila! What do you think? How's it looking? You must let me know if you try it on yourself. I want to see exactly how it looks like. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. 2 styles in one, minimal heat, looking rather fierce, I'd say. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, and I will be in tune with more tutorials and everything on Women's Confidence. Take care guys, and don't forget to strut. Mwah!